Hey boys, welcome to the car. A few things done. Got the dash in mostly. Just got to make the little mounts at the back. But yeah, it's mostly in. Hard with the roll cage. Worked out where I'm going to put the switch panel. I'm going to make it like proper brackets that'll connect to the dash. See, but I'm going to have two. What I'll do is I'll remove one. I'll put a start button. The other one will be emergency stop, and the other one will be a I'll probably take the voltmeter at the top and I'll put the battery isolator there. Here's one of the distribution panels. As we can see, we've got all the high current terminations in, the really high current relay for the accessories, distribution here, and then we've got the other high current relays. Here's the distribution, that's going to go to the front, some earthing, and this one here will go to the switch panel here, and there'll be another one sort of to the side, and that'll be the wire for the back for the brakes and the control and stuff like that. So that's basically it. So man, I actually got a fair bit done. In the front, redone the fuel system. So if you remember on the old one, I had, because I got the wheelwood pedal boxes, I had the reservoirs for the clutch and the two brakes, front brakes and back brakes. So that's gone. They're going to poke through here, and the reservoirs are going to be here instead. So that's just a short run through here, straight to the top of the master cylinders in there. So fucking sweet. So mate, this doesn't need to be a big deal. You just got to get shit done basically. So yeah, I'm going to repaint the interior and everything. As you can see, yeah, that sort of electrical distribution is really easy to do. Easy to terminate. They're cage clamps, so basically you push the wire in, it's captive, you don't need to screw anything in. Yeah, and it's really good. So one thing I am going to do is I'm going to remake, actually at the moment I'm using the standard LS1 harness here. Just a fucking disaster, look at that mess. I've tidied it up, but I'm actually going to remake it. So I've got connectors, I've got more coming, so I'm just going to remake it with the bare bones of what I need. So there's not much. So you got your injectors, you got your coil packs. What else you got? Water temp, knock sensors, crank angle, cam angle. Fuck, there's not much in these things. They're so agricultural. So TPS. Yeah, it's fuck all. So map. So yeah, so that's the plan. So yeah, we're going to get this shit done as quick as possible. And yeah, so I'll install the brake lights and all the rest of it. So cool. All right, bit of an update. And yeah, we'll get this thing wired quickly, and yeah, show you guys that wiring doesn't need to be a big deal.